Welcome to this new EduBytes series of videos. My name's Kevin and I'm a Microsoft trainer, and I'm going to be taking you through a range of topics in this education channel which will allow you to get the best from Office 365. So whether you're new to Office 365 or you're moving to Office 365 from Google Workspace, these videos will have tips, tricks, all about getting the best from the Office 365 suite. So let's start with our first video, which is all about an introduction to what Office 365 actually is, and when you save a file, where do you save it to?
Welcome to this video about what is Office 365. Now, of course, in the education environment, the move to Office 365 is really important. And this series of videos covers the basic tools that you need to master as an educator to get the best out of Office 365 in your classroom. So let's take a look at exactly why we moved to the cloud. So in this lovely diagram that we've created, you can see down here in the bottom right-hand corner the typical school. Now, somewhere in the school, you will have a space with lots of fans and green blinking lights in the server room. Here, people would spend lots of hours in keeping those servers up and running to allow you to store documents and share information and store usernames, passwords, and those photographs that have been taken over the years on all those school trips. Now, of course, with the advent of the internet, and more recently the addition of companies like Microsoft adding to the amount of data centers across the globe, means that now these data centers basically allow us to uplift our storage and security mechanisms of the servers into a data center which is managed by Microsoft and connected to the internet. It really means that you and your students can access your data, your information safely and securely from any device. So whether that is at home, on a desktop PC or a tablet, or you are out and about and accessing it on your smartphone, all of that data can be accessed safely, purely, and compliantly. And of course, as a school, we don't have to spend big amounts of money on replacing those servers now because essentially we have moved that process into that data center. So what does a data center look like? Well, there are multiple data centers in the UK. This is a typical data center under construction. And you can see that if we look inside the data center, we have racks and racks of these units which contain servers. Every time that you save a file in Office 365, what will happen is it will land on one of the servers stored within a data center like this one, and it will then get replicated in that data center to another 2 servers, and then sent to a second data center and replicated another 3 times. So what does that mean for you as an educator? It means that you have got access to your resources, your files, your documents on any device from anywhere in a secure and compliant manner. As we go through this set of videos, remember everything that we do aligns to these 2 pillars. Better learning outcomes for students and transforming your classroom time. So join us next time when we will take a look at accessing Office 365 online.